A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Welcome to the wonders of life. Diseases are a constant threat to human survival, especially viral diseases. Nipah was one of the deadliest viral diseases in Kerala in recent times. Now, what are the ways by which Nipah viruses enter the human body? Let's take a look. Some fruit-eating bats are carriers or vectors of the Nipah virus. Nipah virus can be transmitted to humans through the remains of fruits eaten by bats. Viruses can also be transmitted to humans through the urine and saliva of bats. The virus is also transmitted to pigs and then to humans through the urine and saliva of bats. What are the characteristics of a virus? A virus has a simple structure that contains a DNA or an RNA molecule with a protein envelope. Viruses do not contain cells that are commonly found in living cells. Hence, viruses multiply using genetic makeup of the host cell. Viruses can affect not only humans but also plants, animals and microorganisms such as bacteria. Haven't you heard of AIDS? It is another dreadful viral disease. AIDS stands for autoimmune deficiency syndrome. It is one of the most feared diseases in the world. Now, we all know that lymphocytes or WBCs play an important role in providing immunity to the body. This virus enters the body and multiplies using the genetic mechanism of lymphocytes. What happens as a result? The number of lymphocytes decreases significantly and the body's immune system is reduced. Thus, various pathogens enter the body due to low immunity, causing a condition more fatal. In which all ways does HIV get transmitted? Let's check. HIV is caused through sexual contact with victims or infected persons. HIV is caused from the affected mother to the fetus. HIV is caused by sharing a contaminated needle and syringe. HIV is also caused by the reception of contaminated blood or organs. Now, let me tell you one thing. AIDS is a disease that we cannot avoid, but we can be careful about it. It is important to know how to spread as well as how not to spread. This is because it is necessary to avoid unnecessary fear and the tendency to exclude AIDS patients from the society. How is AIDS not spread? It is not spread through cough, handshake, cough and sneeze. Nor it is spread through insects such as mosquitoes and flies. It is neither spread by staying together and sharing food, nor by using the same toilet or by even bathing in the same pool. So AIDS is not a disease to be feared or kept away. AIDS is not transmitted through regular contact. I hope you have understood. Next, have you heard about hepatitis? Hepatitis is a liver disease. It is caused by viruses. The main symptoms include the inflammation of the liver. By blocking the flow of the bile produced by the liver causes an increase in the level of the pigment bilirubin in the blood. This imparts a dark yellow color to the mucous membrane, white portion of the eyes and nails. This is the external symptom of the disease. Disease gets transmitted through contaminated food, water, blood components and excreta of the patients. Certain type of hepatitis can be transmitted the same way as the transmission of HIV. Dengue and chikungunya are also viral diseases which are prevalent in Kerala. These diseases are transmitted by mosquitoes. So, the most important precaution against the spread of such diseases is to eliminate the breeding grounds for mosquitoes. In addition to bacteria and viruses, fungi are a group of pathogenic microorganisms. Fungi are a group of fungus. The disease is caused by toxins produced by the fungi. Now, let us get acquainted with the symptoms and transmission of pattern of some of the fungal diseases affecting humans. The first one is scabies. Scabies is a disease of the skin by certain fungi. The disease manifests itself as round red rashes on the skin. The disease is infected through contact. The athlete's foot is a fungal disease on the sole of the foot between the toes. The main symptoms of the disease include the appearance of reddish, scaly rashes causing itching. Pathogens enter the toes through contact with contaminated water and soil. Not only bacteria, viruses, and fungi, but also protozoa and some worms spread diseases. But we will discuss about it very soon. See you again with new knowledge useful in everyday life.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.